friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about guys how can we stop talkback in our Tecno mobile. Guys, you want to stop your talkback in your Tecno mobile, so guys, how can you stop? In this video friends I am going to show you how to stop talkback in our Tecno phone. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like the video friends. So guys, now let's see how to stop talkback. Okay, don't worry guys, I will tell you then guys you can stop your talkback within 1.5 minutes. So guys, now let's see. First of all guys, you can see guys your phone screen. So guys, scroll it and then click on your phone setting with one finger and guys double tap to continue. So again guys, we will scroll with two fingers. Then guys, we can stop our talkback. So guys, click on your phone special function guys, and guys click on your accessibility talkback. Use talkback guys, double two fingers stop talkback. Then guys your talkback will stop in your Tecno phone and guys you can use your phone without any problem. So guys, you can see your talkback problem has solved in your Tecno phone. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching. We will meet on next video. Bye friends.